I'm going to show you how to make a shot called a Red Tequila. So if you're feeling macho, pay attention. This drink is essentially a tequila shot, but it's a little bit different because we are adding hot sauce to it. So first off, we need to grab a shot glass. And then we're going to pour into that your favorite tequila. Tequila is a liquor that comes from agave nectar. And there are many different kinds and different qualities and colors, so have a tequila tasting party and see which one you like best. All right, nice big healthy dose there. And then we're going to pour on top of our tequila your favorite brand of hot sauce. So whatever that may be, pick your favorite brand, and you're going to pour it right on top until your tequila is strongly colored. All right, then we're going to go ahead and stir that up. I hope you're feeling brave. And I hope you have a beer chaser on hand, because what you're going to do now, that you've got this stirred up, is take your lemon wedge. You're going to just suck on your lemon wedge, slam down your shot. It's going to be very spicy, and chase it with a cold beer. There you go, Red Tequila. Enjoy.